Welcome to my first night routine video, and before we get started, make sure you're nice and relaxed, light a candle, cuddle up in bed and get nice and comfortable. So I like to start my night off by having a cup of tea. In this video I'm having a mint tea, which is really good for your digestion, and I like it just to settle my stomach before I go to bed. You want to try avoid having like a black tea or green tea, because those have a tiny bit of caffeine in it and it's not the best to have right before you're going to bed. And then I will hop in the shower, and here I don't know what I was doing. So this video is also a collab with Smile Pro Worldwide, which is like a teeth whitening brand. They have a lot of dental and teeth whitening products. I'll link their Instagram and their website in the description below so you guys can check out some of their products. I recently posted a photo on my Instagram about one of their products and I got quite a few questions on it. So I'll give you guys a bit of a review. So this is just, I think, the basic teeth whitening kit. Looks like this. Inside you have 3 tubes of whitening gel, and then here is the actual teeth whitening device. It's super easy to use. Literally all you have to do, grab one of these tubes, and then along the lining you just have to drag it across. And it's super easy to use. To turn it on, you just press this button here, already set as a 10-minute timer. So you just press that and then pop it in your mouth. And in the meantime, you can watch TV, watch YouTube. Just make sure you wait until the blue light turns on and then pop it in your mouth. After using it a few times, I have noticed that my teeth are looking a bit whiter. But of course, you should be doing this in conjunction with good hygiene in general. Like, I brush my teeth 2 to 3 times a day. I will point out that this is kind of temporary. This isn't going to keep your teeth whiter permanently. So if you want it to be more permanent, you'd have to do it continuously. Or if you maybe have an event and you want to prepare your teeth or just get them a bit whiter for a little while, you can do that. So make sure you check out Smile Pro Worldwide's products on their site. Then I am going to start with my skincare. I just got changed into my pajamas and I'm going to tie my hair back with a scrunchie, get it out of my face. Then now that I've done the teeth whitening, I'm just going to brush my teeth like normal. Then I'm going to be using a QV Gentle Face Cleanser, which I've been using most of the time to just cleanse my face. It's really gentle, and my mum's dermatologist actually recommended it to her, so I've been using it as well. Today I decided to exfoliate, so I'm going to use my St. Ives Blemish Control Apricot Scrub, and this scrub is honestly amazing. I highly recommend getting it. You can just really feel it scrubbing away. This isn't going to be a skincare video, it's just going to be very brief. However, I am planning on making some more skincare videos in the future for you guys because that has been quite requested. Then I'm going to be using my Witch Hazel toner. I just bought that from Priceline or the supermarket, I can't remember, and that just cleans and tones your skin. Then I'm going to be using my Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Night Moisturizer. This honestly smells like chocolate and coconut. It is the most amazing thing you will ever smell. Then I'm going to just put a little lip balm on. I always put lip balm on before I go to bed, so my lips will wake up feeling nice and soft and they won't get dry overnight. I had a few scars on my face, so I just put a bit of bio oil on them to help them heal and help the skin's tone even. And something I've been using for about a year or so on my eyebrows and eyelashes is castor oil. I'll use that like every second day, which helps them grow, and I have noticed results. They have been a bit slow, but it does work. After my skincare, if I've done all my homework, don't have anything to do, I will just browse YouTube or Netflix. I'm currently watching How to Get Away with Murder and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I highly recommend watching it. And trust me, I've watched a lot of shows, so this one is definitely a good one. If you also want good show recommendations, hit me up because I can literally give you an extensive list. And if I'm feeling up to it, then I will read as well. I'm reading Gone with the Wind at the moment, which is a classic book. I have been reading this for a long time and I should have finished it by now, but I guess I just haven't been prioritizing it enough. But I definitely do want to try to spend less time on social media and more time reading at night, because that's really good to just expand your vocabulary and take a break from the screen. Something I have been doing quite often is journaling, as mentioned in my last video. I like to journal at the end of my day. Not every day. If I have an average day, I probably won't write anything. If I do journal, I'll usually do that at night when I'm in my bed and just reflect on my day and write down my thoughts. If I don't do Pilates at night, then I'll usually do yoga at night just to stretch and release any tension in my body. And I find that that really calms me down, especially after doing a lot of study, just having a really intense day. It gives me the chance to just align my mind and my body and my spirit and just relax for a few moments. Now this is a really extra night routine. I don't necessarily do these things all the time. This video is just showing you guys the most that I would do in a night. I will meditate sometimes as well, and that might just be me listening to soft meditative music, or I will just calm down and reflect. I might put like religious prayer music on as well. After that, I will go to bed and get some shut-eye. That was just a little insight into what my night can look like. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and follow all my social media in the description below. Sweet dreams!
When I see your face